Hi there! Welcome to Luxuness. I'm so glad you're here. Let me gently walk you through how to use our website so your time with us feels simple, smooth, and a little bit special. As you arrive on our homepage, you will see our beautiful banners. Just click one to explore our featured product collections. At the top of our page, we share our latest promotions. Don't miss out. You can switch currencies on the top left, and on the top right, you will find icons to search and open your shopping cart. Below that, you can view your wish list, search again, check your cart, or access your account. Scroll down and you'll see our latest arrivals and the special deals. All our products are duty-free and shipping-free to the US and Australia, and we offer easy 14 days returns. You can also browse by brand or category or simply explore our top picks, carefully selected for value, beauty, and uniqueness. Want to hear from real customers? Just scroll to the bottom for authentic reviews from our community. You can also subscribe to our newsletter to receive special updates and exclusive offers. When you find an item you love, click to enter the product page. If you'd like to save an item, tap the heart icon. You can swipe through detailed photos and see our pricing clearly listed. For US and Australian customers, shipping and taxes are already included. We also offer free gift wrapping and a card if you'd like to make it extra special. Any ongoing offers and estimated delivery time are also displayed here. Scroll down for a full product detail. Click on Identity Guarantee to learn how every item is expertly authenticated and inspected. Tap Cleaning Process to see how we care for every detail. We ship with DHL and FedEx, and we're proud to reduce carbon emissions through Go Green solutions. Plus, a portion of every order supports global tree planting through our partner, the Good API. And when you're ready to bring it home, simply click Add to Cart or Buy Now. In your cart, you will find everything you've added. Don't forget to use code FIRST to enjoy $15 off your first order. The price shown at the bottom reflects your final total. Click Checkout when you're ready. Once you're on checkout page, click Order Summary to view order details. You will also find a summary at the bottom of the page. Didn't enter your discount code earlier? You can still apply it here. You can check out without creating an account. Just enter your contact and the shipping information. Need a gift wrapping? Simply check the box for free gift service. Choose your payment method. Credit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. You can click Save My Information and connect your shop account for a faster checkout. And finally, just click Review Order to complete your purchase. Thank you so much for choosing Luxuness. We hope you enjoy every step of the journey and every piece you take home.